I'm in from my front yard. I live in condos, so my neighbor and their kids are looking at me all weird. Everyone, welcome back to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. So as you can see, today is a little different because of the nature of my video and the lack of space in my house. I decided to do it in my front yard, oddly enough. So as you read from my title, today I'm going to be doing my first time ever doing self-tanner. When I was younger, I used to go to tanning beds, and then that's when things came out about, you know, how unhealthy and how it causes cancer and all that stuff. So I stopped tanning, but I always wanted to restart tanning, like the spray tans or something like that. Recently, Beauty by Earth reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try out some of their products, and they had a really long, extensive list of products that they offer. Not just tanners, like they have hair brushes and stuff like that, which I got as well. And I was like, I would like this actually, and test it out. Again, I'm in from my front yard. I live in condos, so my neighbor and their kids are looking at me all weird. But this is supposed to be a very fast, easy application, and they're all healthy, natural, and organic ingredients, which is something I also really liked. Again, I've never done this before, so I don't know what to expect. To keep your tan, you only have to do it every 4 to 7 days basically, which is really cool. And this bottle's pretty big. I don't remember the price, so I'm going to post it right here, but it comes with 7.5 fluid ounces. So I do have a little mitt because oddly enough I had ordered one online through FabFitFun. So yeah. But anyways, now to show you, because I want to do my legs so they match my arms, because like my arms look great, my chest right here looks fine, but my legs and my tummy, I'm not going to show you my tummy though, but my legs look ghostly white, so that's why I'm here to do this today.
So as I get in position, you can see my legs are pretty stark white, and the sun is actually making them look a little warmer than normal, because trust me, typically they're a lot closer to what my bed sheets are. So the ideal goal is to get it close to the color of my arms so that they match a little bit better. Now I took some of the sun tanning lotion, and I'm applying it in an upward and circular motion, and I went very light-handed throughout my legs, calves, and up on my thighs.
All right, so I'm done with both my legs right now, and I did a light coat like it had actually recommended. And this says especially like in your knees, elbows, you know, and anywhere that's typically really dry, and it does recommend to avoid your face. Now another thing I forgot to mention in the beginning is it does also recommend to do a light exfoliation, so that way you can remove any dead skin on your body, because otherwise the tanner can stick to the dead skin, which absolutely makes sense. So before I came to film, I actually took a shower, did a light exfoliation throughout my body, and I put no other lotions, oils, nothing like that, which normally I do, because I wanted to give this a fair shot, and it's supposed to not leave you with streaks or anything like that, you know. So I'm really excited to see how this works. Again, it was really easy and fast. I think it took me 5 minutes doing, and that's that I'm in a sitting position. If I would have been standing up, probably would have been much faster, because I also have to make some lunch for my kiddos, and I'll let you guys see what happens with the results. So I'll catch you guys here in a few. Bye-bye. So hello everyone. Today is actually 2 days later. I ended up going back and reading instructions, and it turns out you need at least 6 to 8 hours to actually see results. Silly me. But I have to tell you guys, and I'll show you here in just a second, I'm pretty impressed with how nice and even it turned out. Like, in my opinion, it actually made my legs and my torso look very close to my arms, like right here. It's maybe in between this shade right here, basically. So I'm pretty excited about that. Even my husband and my kids were like, oh my gosh, it looks really nice. It looks natural. It's not streaky. It's very even. And I went very light-handed because, again, this is my first time I'm ever doing a self-tanner on my own. I've gone to tanning salons when I was much, much younger. But again, never did a home self-tanner. So this was definitely a new experience for me. And I did forget to mention a few things, or I had forgotten about it. I double checked on the price, and this is $30.99. And Beauty by Earth is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. They actually are Leaping Bunny approved or certified. They're gluten-free and made in the USA. And it does have a 12-month shelf life. Now, according to the website, it says that even those with sensitive skin can use it, but it does have a slight scent of coconut, which I forgot to mention during the application process. So it does have a slight scent of coconut. So I'm not sure, being that it's just your legs, you know, if maybe you would have a reaction if you're sensitive to coconut. I would assume maybe not, you know, I'm not sure. But again, just so you guys are aware, it does have coconut scent in it, and it's supposed to be like a natural extract. It's not like an artificial or anything like that. They also, after double checking the site, they have a face one as well, which is $24.99. And I do apologize if I'm squinting a lot. It's just, it's very, very sunny today, so, which is nice because we had been very overcast and full of smoke and ash in the Bay Area for quite some time at this point. It's been over a week that we had really crazy fires, but it's finally clearing up. Let me show you guys what the results were. So I'm not sure if you can see, but it's a lot closer to where my shade is, and I feel that maybe with one more light coat, maybe I can get it even closer. Again, they do recommend you touching up around every 4 to 7 days just to keep the tan. We'll definitely be touching it up, but I'm actually gonna do a quick application today so that it's like maybe I can get it a little bit darker. But again, it did a really great job overall, and I'm pretty happy with it. Like, again, hopefully my pictures come out okay, but if you look at my befores and afters, like, it's quite significant. It's quite significant what the difference is before and after, because my before, it was more like my palm, basically. It's pretty stark white, and yeah. Before using the tanner, my legs don't tan. I barely ever expose my legs and stuff where I would actually get a tan. So this is a nice way to give myself some color, and then I'm not, you know, causing any real sun damage to my body and giving myself the potential of skin cancer. So I highly recommend this product, you guys. I think it's very, very easy. It's very, very easy, especially for any beginners, and it's safe. And you know, if you want a little bit of color or you need to touch up your color, that's incredible. And I don't know if I got a discount code, but I will double check and I'll post it down in the description. So if you're interested, it'll be down there, but either way, I will still put the link if you're interested in purchasing the sunscreen or any of their other products that they do have to offer. Again, the company does vegan, natural, organic, clean products kind of deal. So they have a lot of great things to offer. Basically, they have a lot of great products to offer. So if maybe this sunscreen is not what you're looking for, they might have something else for you. And before you head out, I would greatly appreciate if you guys would hit that subscribe button, and if you don't mind hitting that notification, this way you're notified anytime I do a future upload. And lastly, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and me doing my first ever tanning session at home ever. So you would give me a big old thumbs up. And yeah, so again, thank you all so much. I greatly appreciate you, and have a beautiful day. Goodbye.